We are with Mr. Ravindra Babu. He is the Managing Director of Super Orphans Private Limited. Welcome, Mr. Ravindra Babu.
Yeah, thank you.
Just to start with, can you just explain me in brief your association with AJ Glasspack?
Yeah, actually, way back, somewhere over 15, 20 years back, we started business with the AGI Glass Pack
Okay,
as a LDP shrink film supplier.
okay.
So that was the beginning for us also, the manufacturing of shrink film and all that. So over a period of time, we have a little bit, attained kind of expertise in making shrink film, particularly to shoot to their that machines existing at that point of time. So I'm talking about maybe 15 years back. Over a period
Mm-hmm.
of time, I think AGI they have modernized their machines, plant, and there is a new set of European shrink tunnels. So there actually a real kind of challenging job started from our end, and they expected us to, manufacture the shrink film suitable for their automatic European tunnels, clear pack tunnels, and all that. We initially we had some problems in understanding the requirement, machine requirement, and all that. I believe we have achieved a kind of what's called expertise, and we have started. Achieving the end result very effectively to shoot to their tunnels. So apart from that, then okay, over a period of time, we also started giving them cost solutions to reduce the packaging cost, like reduction in the grammage or thickness of the material, and at the same time, without sacrificing the mechanical properties and the shrink properties to shoot to their the requirement and all that. Here it's actually a really challenging job. It was a kind of opportunity we got it from AGI HSL group to develop, and I believe we have delivered a goods to them, and we have also shown cost effective solutions. That's what we understand. I don't know how company will perceive it. Uh,
So you provide basically the shrink labs for both the plants for Hyderabad and Bongir both?
yes, both plants, Hyderabad as well as we started with Hyderabad plant.
Right.
Once the new plant at Bongir with the new technology and new touching tunnels, it's a modern tunnels. So earlier
Right.
in the beginning, we supplied to old Sanat Nagar plant where the actually as far as our product goes for shrink tunnels.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not talking about their glass technology and all that shrink trapping technology. The old Signode type of machines they were using. Then in the new plant, it was a totally automized and totally modernized, very automatic machines. That was the real challenging job. So initial stages, whatever we learned from the old technology, and that actually helped us in improving the what's called product, and also the thanks to the our raw material suppliers. But for their grades, the new improvised polymers, the new generation polymers, perhaps we would not have been successful in manufacturing that end product. Of course, we are supported by good Germany-made machines, which
Right.
actually enable us to manufacture a good product to shoot to their requirement. So, in a nutshell, actually, we have worked on the raw material side as well as machine, and of course, our specialty to understand their machine's requirement, like end use application, where we can fit into their kind of machine requirement and all that. Apart from that, most noteworthy fact is we have achieved kind of cost reduction for them, and we have shown the results in considerable cost reductions. I hope company shall appreciate our efforts. Okay, I should also appreciate their professionalism, and they have encouraged us, in fact, and it's a win-win situation kind. That it's not that from one end it is, but
Right.
for their cooperation and encouragement, perhaps it would not have been possible for us to achieve that
Right.
kind of.
Right. Right. Definitely.
Mhm.
Good to listen that about the wonderful facts about and also the association what you have been from past couple
Mhm.
of years. Can you share some of your good experiences? It might be some of the good experiences you might be affecting with AGI, not only in terms of the cost and everything, but also with the partnership and also with the meetings and everything. Can you share some good experiences with AGI?
Say in a nutshell, I should say they are perfect. They are professionals. Even they manage the company also very professional way.
Right.
That is my observation.
Uh-huh.
In fact, over a period of time, it was indeed they have improved. It may not be the kind of professionalism initial stages, but maybe over a period of time, I mean, the company has undergone a lot of changes. I mean, their approach, their this thing, whether it's inventory control, cost control. Okay, as a vendor, I may be having a different aspirations, different expectations, but from their point of view, they tried their best to optimize, rather either in reduction of the cost or controlling the finances and all that. There is absolute. I should appreciate there is a kind of professionalism is very apparent, and it is striking in their approach, in their dealings. That way, I would
Right,
like to.
right, right.
Yeah, yeah.
So, if you want to describe AGI Glasspack in one word, okay,
Mhm.
one word, good thing about that. So, how you gonna describe AGI Glasspack in one word, if I may ask you?
Yeah, actually, I mean, as I told you, it's a company run by professionals.
Right,
Okay,
right,
and they try their best for the betterment of their company, either inventory management or financial control, and also optimization of utility. And secondly, what I noticed that mostly glass bottle industry is a kind of seasonal business. Sometimes there are some their demand and supply will be keep fluctuating, but they try to run the company continuously by adopting kind of new technology, storage, and all that. That I appreciate. I mean,
right.
that way, as a vendor, I also do not suffer. I also enjoy kind of consistency in getting the business and all that. That is my opinion. And
Right.
in nutshell, it's a company run by professional. They run it in a professional way.
Thank you so much for that appreciation. We definitely admire that. We'll take that into point of Hall of Fame as such. Appreciation received from such a old vendor of AGI Glasspack.
Yeah.
Coming to next, what are your further expectations? So you might be definitely have a roadmap of how you and how as a super Olfins MD and also the management of AGI Glasspack, how you like to further expectations you would like to keep from AGI?
See, my expectation is like this. You see, in business, relation is built over a period of time, right?
Right,
Goodwill
right,
is built over a period of time. So, as a vendor, as a supplier, it is my bounded duty to come to their expectations as far as the what's called supplies, quality of the product, and also, okay, I had to, I mean, get into their shoes in terms of financial, I mean, terms and payment terms and all that. Okay, but what I expect that, as I told you, it's a kind of win-win situation.
right.
From my end, it is our endeavor to serve them for a long time, but company also has to bear it in mind. It's a our past relation and past contribution and cooperation, and I wish that this business relation will go for a long time.
Definitely, definitely. Under your dynamic leadership, definitely Super Orphans and also AGI will gonna definitely be a good path road to in at least instilling film product what we are procuring from you. Definitely, it will gonna be. So, just the last thing, anything you would like to add from your end? Like what thing you can add from your end? Anything?
Well, actually, I mean, in my opinion, whenever AGI has asked for us to develop a product,
Mm-hmm.
we have done. As I told
Right.
you earlier, that we have achieved a kind of cost reduction and made my product suitable to their European tunnels. It's a
Right.
kind of import substitution. Apart from that, we also shown some kind of effective solutions for like shroud film. I mean, pallet shrink film we have developed. I believe I believe AJ must be happy with the kind of developments we have shown. It has also thrown a kind of, I mean, it has given a kind of solution for their storage, and to what's called to protect the shelf life of the
Right.
product. all that. Um, these are all my few words I would like to write.
No worries, no worries,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yes.
And it was, it was, thank you so much for giving us this valuable time. And I appreciate the way you have been backing up AJ Glasspack from past couple of years, and more the years coming up with the more the generations of you gonna be a part of AJ Glasspack. And it was a pleasure having a virtual meet you on this. And thank you so much for your time, Mr. Ravindra Babu.
Yeah, thank you. Also, I also thanks the company AJ Glass Factory having given me an opportunity to grow along with them, and I believe we tried our best. And as I told you, I mean, this relationship will go a long way. Okay, for a mutual benefit. And but I also thank you for you to giving an opportunity to express my opinion and all that. Right? Nice talking to you. Okay.
Thank you,
Bye.
thank you. It was pleasure speaking to you, Mr. Ravindra Babu. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Bye. Yeah.